Abuja yesterday. There. No. Are you funny? You saw the comedian? No, you can't post it. Hi. Stop. She's shy, so that's my sister. I came into Abuja yesterday. Today's Saturday, so my birthday is in a few days. So in this video, I went for my photo shoot, and I thought to bring you guys along with me through the entire process, from the makeup studio to the photo studio. So please keep watching. Very bright. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Maybe not welcome back. Where okay, so I'm in Abuja and I'm currently going to surprise my best friend. I told him I was leaving town and going back to Minna. I'm going to make a quick stop at his place before going, so I thought to bring guys along with me, and I love that. So yeah. I'm here. This gate is locked, so I have to call his number. So let me call him. You say you wanted to look for clothes. Why did you come here shirtless? Come and carry my box now.
I should come outside without shirt.
Why did you come here in the first place?
Can you stop?
Why did you come shirtless in the first place?
Can you stop filming?
Say hello to my subscribers.
Naked. Okay. Put this shit down.
If I don't put it, change my name.
Okay.
Food. Guess who's eating the food? You guys, guess who's eating the food? Ibukolo Ajawande. IBK. People won't play. Are you running away?
Look at your favorite influencer.
I'm not an influencer.
Or is it YouTuber? I give her food.
Not give me food.
But it's time to share the protein now.
What are we sharing protein? You gave me food, not I said food for the bottle. You gave me food.
Time to share the protein now. She's been stingy with it.
2 for 10.
What do you buy 2 for 10?
Look, the rice is sweet, by the way. Hold on.
So that she's not.
Ready to do.
Move hands.
I just got into town. No, so tired. The nice man came to pick me up at the park. So we thought it was nice not to come and pick me. So I want to get shawarma because I'm starving. I need to get something to eat before I go back home. This is legit my favorite place to get shawarma in Minna. So just in case you're in Minna today or next time, you should stop by. They have really, really, really good shawarma. It's not ready. They mention my name. Good evening. Can't you pay there?
Sorry, maybe I can have your number.
So when it's ready, I can give you my number. So when you, if you, don't, you call me. Okay, no problem. Okay, so this is what my shawarma looks like. That was fast, man. This is what my shawarma looks like.
Oh, what is?
The guy gave us tiny chicken. Tosin got chicken. For me, I can't wait till I get home. I'm just going to dig in.
Where?
So good. So I'm home now, and before I rest, take a shower and all of that, I just want to quickly unbox this. So I got a tripod yesterday in Abuja. I actually followed the vendor on Instagram, was in 770, and coincidentally I was at Barnet and I saw the store. So I thought to quickly do a little unboxing for you guys. So this is what the box looks like. It's a phone tripod, by the way, a mobile phone tripod camera. So yeah, when you open it, you have this. You have this. So this is all that comes in it. Oh nice, I like this. I can just go out to this. So when you open it, it's in a nylon. I'm so excited to have the tripod. Like, it just makes homemade eating. And when you open it, I have the tripod. I was thinking there would be like a tutorial guide, I'd be a manual guide. What do they call that? A manual. But there's nothing of such. So this is pretty long. So yeah, it's pretty long, it's quite long. Okay, yeah. This is quite long, so I just thought to show you guys what it looks like. I have a tripod now.